If you need a quick, easy and cheap recipe, try out this instant noodles recipe. I'm going to start off by prepping my sauce, so I'll add some dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, water and a teaspoon of brown sugar. Stir. Once everything is fully combined, in a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in my noodles carefully. Make sure the noodles are fully submerged in the water. To my pan, I'm going to add in cooking oil, onion and some garlic. I'll saute my onions until the onions are soft. Add in my noodles in my pan and cook according to the packaging instructions. It's important not to overcook the noodles, so the noodles should be slightly underdone. I'm going to crack in 2 eggs straight in the pan for my proteins. Slightly scramble and cook for about 30 seconds. My noodles are ready, so I'm going to transfer to my pan. To add some flavor to my noodles, I'm going to add my sauce. Coat the noodles with the seasoning. A quick tip for you, don't add too much sauce because the noodles will turn out too salty, because both dark soy sauce and oyster sauce are salty. Add in some green onions. Let the noodles cook and stir in. Stir fry for another minute until the noodles are ready. Add in some of that noodle water if you've noticed that the noodles are drying out. In a matter of around 2 minutes, my instant noodles are ready, and they are packed with proteins because I've added the eggs and also I've garnished with some green onions. So the noodles are ready, and it's been around 5 minutes. So you have to be super fast so that your noodles don't overcook and become all mushy. That's how you make lunch in a matter of minutes. Yes, you have to try out these instant noodles, which are packed with proteins and are very filling. So catch you on my next episode. Bye.